Hi everyone! Want to talk to your friends using the voice chat in Roblox? Today I'm going to show you how to enable and use the voice chat in Roblox. Let's get started. First, in order to use the voice chat, make sure that you are 13 years or older. Your account is verified with a valid ID and a phone number, and you've allowed microphone access for Roblox. And here to verify your age, just go to the settings and click the account info. Then tap the verify my age. Then upload a government issued ID like passport or license, then follow the on-screen steps to complete the selfie verification. Then, you'll get notification when it's approved within 1 to 2 days. And to enable the chat, just go to the settings and select the privacy. Then toggle the enable chat or voice chat if there's available. Then, to allow the microphone access, if it's available, just go to the Roblox app settings and enable the microphone permission. Because not all the Roblox games support a voice chat, look for the games with a microphone icon under the title. And you're in a game, you'll see the microphone button. Tap it to mute or unmute your mic. And that's it. You're now ready to chat with friends in Roblox using your voice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.